Throw alright, see that? That spin.
Alright, grand rising to each and everyone. Morning time, I want to say blessings to each and everyone, to all the kings and queens out there, right? So, welcome back to another video with Native Family TV, right? And today, we rise up and we say we are going to get the farm organized, the yard farm organized, right? What I mean by that is we're going to clear out the weeds that grew up over time, right? And we're going to spray over the whole yard again, all right? So as you can see behind me, that's all the weeds that grew up back. See, we're going to cover all of that. Yeah, so we're going to clear out all of it. So, I want to say big up on yourself one more time. Stay tuned and watch what I'm going, all right? People. So we have to get rid of them wisps that grow and cover the flowers with. And if you know, mind sharp then kill them too. Kill the flowers then. You see, the flowers will not get that irritated of them. So yeah, yeah, cut them out. No, cut them tree like that. So. The people so. Then that's how we there now. And this a farm, eh? You want to weed out it. But you don't know. You don't want to chop nothing. So we are going to use it and I'll weed out it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The people so. So we there nice spraying now. Alright? And complete all of this. Mommy behind the camera woman this morning. Yeah, people, so I never did a see no video before because we did get busy, so we didn't have any time to drop any videos at all, you know, and I got sick, you see, but during the time that I was sick, I was making an intro for the video, so you guys will see that on the video also. I people, so I refill when I wanna leave because I know what you feel. Yeah, people, so that is it for the spraying. See it, whole yard spray from front to back, you know. Right? Yeah. So, showing you how you look in space at 2 days time or so. Alright? So stay tuned. I'll watch how I go on. We are going on the road to get a new machine, right? Because one thing me don't like people and have to wash with hand. Something with that me not like. You see it, so and I say me want do it, you know, but me not like do it. So we are going today and me and mom I go get I get a new brand washing machine. So so stay tuned, we're showing you what going on, and thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support and big up on yourself all the time. Alright? Stay tuned and watch what going on. Yeah, people, so just miss the Poland side. And you know, some don't know what go wrong. But I think I see them join up the Poland sign, so them take it done. So yeah. Anyways, as you can see, people with upon journey I go to Portland. Yeah, people, the great article, right? Still in Portland with the Portland, right? So they're upon the journey now. You go get the washing machine. People may always see the spot here and say, oh, it's look like a nice view right here. So I just always like, oh, out here so look, you know, like the view. And now we entering town of Buff Bay, you know,
People let me know in the comments if you know them place here in Poland. Yeah man, so this a Buff Bay. Yeah people, so they in our store right now and the more sure say this are the machine we are get too much feeder. But talk to the store manager and he might give you for 22, and that is not a bad price people. That is a very good price. As you can see size there. See, it's a very nice size washing machine, you know? Yeah man. Alright people, see here I test out the washing machine. Yeah man, and it, as you can see, fully functional. So it's up and running. Yeah, and the store manager, this guy, good guy, gave us a discount on the washing machine. You know, you guys aren't hearing what he's saying because I had to voice over this due to copyright purposes, right? So he was telling you guys that the store is called James Trading. Yeah people, so we reach back home with washing machine. We get here, buy, you know. Yeah, so let me tell you, we get it on a discount price. Nice little size machine man, you know. When I like the washing with hand thing, better if you have one of them here at home and wash it, you know. Yeah people, so I don't know nothing too outstanding, but it's something that can get the job done. See there? Yeah? Yeah man. Nice size washing machine people. Who that I walk past my camera? Who that? Who that? Who that? Papa? Yeah, so see the people. Right, mommy says she got testing now. Same time. Yeah people, so see mommy come out with her clothes them here. It test you out here now. You see it? I showing her fabuloso and thing you know. You see it? One thing with this, you know, people, not true. You see it's a lily, you know. It drink water. It's the whole for water people, so you see it. So mommy I drop in her clothes them you know. And papa there help out. You see it? Put in her fabric now and I start the ball game. So just stay tuned. Watch how we are going with. Alright. Mommy, I want to again. People, so we plug up here now. You see it? And this are the extension we buy today for work with it. You see it? It's an extension we're going to say nice. And the storeroom. Alright. Yeah, so see it there? See it now people. So we spin here now. You go back right around. Alright. See there? That spin. So mommy did our job clothes in there? Yeah. Okay, I can put more. What if I clothes this can hold man people? How much clothes I put in there? How much piece of clothes? Okay. So she have the white clothes them. Go and wash out you know. So as you can see, machine well active people. Right? Yeah man. Alright people, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in to another video with Natty Family TV. Alright. Hope you guys like the video. Leave one of thoughts in the comment what you guys think and on the machine that we bought. As I tell people what we could afford. As it and we want something to wash clothes with. So we got that one. And so far it a do its job. As it. So we just work with it. Right? So more videos to come out. So see mommy still a working machine and some water did get with from we, so she there clean up the water so thank you guys for watching and tuning in with another one with Natty Family TV. Alright, stay safe. I'm out.